Hi, my name is Gaurav and I have founded Billdrive.ai and I'll help you to understand why do we need Gmail's read-only API scope. Billdrive helps users to connect their emails to quickly find and organize financial records like invoice, receipts or statements and then upload them to users' Google Drive in organized structure for accounting and record keeping purpose. Billdrive scans through emails and identifies financial documents by asking Gmail API to provide only emails that contain specific keywords such as invoice, receipts, statements, quotations, and it has attachment with size less than 1 MB. This means we do not receive emails that doesn't fall into our service criteria. With first level of filtration, we now scans email metadata to further verify if email context is relevant to Billdrive service. Let's assume we received bunch of emails and some of them had keywords that matched financial emails but was a newsletter. Then system will mark it as a non-financial and further proceeding will be stopped and then the email will be discarded. Such discarded emails are not being stored in our system. If email matches financial email criteria, then Billdrive downloads attachment from that email. Remember, we had a first layer of filtration where to check if it only has documents that is less than 1 MB, which means it will also skip larger documents or files such as pictures, videos, or other document types. Now that attachment is downloaded, an internal tool will try to parse that document and validate if document is readable or not. This layer is ideal for detecting password protected and documents other than PDF or doc files. So no password protected files or unsupported format files get processed with AI. Such files will be stored as uncategorized in user's drive location but will not be processed via AI. Finally, email that actually contains invoices or receipts with readable files will be processed for OCR to find invoice information. In certain cases, it will be submitted to non-training purpose AI models to find out crucial vendor and document information from attachment, which will be used for identification of documents and grouping them. Along with that, those attachments will be stored in structured way in user's Google Drive, which we ask as a separate access. Once data is uploaded to Google Drive, we keep URL information of folder files in our database. Now let's begin with actual website and examine how users will interact with Billdrive. For this video, I am going to use my personal account. Users will have to sign in with their either email and password or with their Google accounts. So here I'm going to use my personal account. Once logged in, system will ask user to add their Gmail accounts, which is here. They can connect their Google Drive account. For most users, both accounts may be the same, so there is a separate option to connect Gmail and Drive connection in one go. Or they can separately connect both the accounts. Now I already have accounts connected with us. I will delete them manually, which means it will also delete all the documents records from our database as well. All the documents are bind with Gmail account ID, so user can always delete their data by simply removing or disabling their account from Billdrive. I have removed my account from here. I am also disconnecting my Google Drive. As you can see, now I am not able to see anything else. Documents are not accessible. Now I'm going to connect my Gmail and Google Drive connections. After connection, as you can see, it didn't load my previously connected documents or anything else. So nothing will be available here. Once connected, user can choose time frame to fetch emails, so we never access emails that user doesn't want, plus all the filtrations that I mentioned earlier will take effect. So here, for example, I'm going to choose last 3 months and will do a resync. So this is now how its documents are being scanned and categorized. This document dashboard allows, as you can see, it has fetched 131 emails and will be proceed. It found 3 financial documents and 1 invoices. It will gradually scan all the emails and filter out all unnecessary emails, and then finally we'll be able to see. Out of 10 processed email, it found 5 email containing financial documents. So remaining 5 documents, 5 emails were discarded. Here's user will be able to see those documents. As it being processed, you will see these attachments were uploaded to Google Drive, and this is Google Drive preview link. This seems to be a password protected file. Okay, let's see this one. This one is a statement, and this is how it will be, how user will be able to check them out. Further, they can connect with vendors and group them, so in future they can find out them easily. Here they can download, or just simply it can be opened up with Google Drive. For your information, we use OpenAI API, Google Gemini API for classification and data extractions, and have ensured that all the data is processed through non-training policy only. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.